So what am I making for you today? Need these citrus chicken thigh skewers. These skewers are made with fresh orange juice, lime juice, orange zest, garlic cloves, chili powder, cumin, a little honey, and a little avocado oil. Let's do it. Ooh. Let's start with the marinade. I'm gonna add a little orange juice, a little lime juice, both freshly squeezed, a little chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, a little bit of fresh honey. Now let's add a little orange zest and chop up a little garlic. I have about 3 cloves here. I'm gonna whisk that together and then stream in a little avocado oil. Now I'm gonna add my chicken thigh pieces, and I've cut them in about 1-inch cubes or slices. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So this is all put together. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, no longer than 4. So I just took the chicken out of the refrigerator and I'm gonna skewer them on these. I love these because it's double. So I made 3 skewers for the video, but you could probably get 6 out of them when you do it yourself. And what I love about this recipe is that you can grill it inside or outside, so no matter what time of year, you can enjoy these. So I have my grill pan nice and hot on a medium-high heat. And I'm just gonna brush on a little avocado oil. I love this brand. I've been using it a lot to make salad dressings and just to cook with, to saute with, and it works really well with high heat. Now I'm just using a little bit because there's already oil in the marinade. So I will be cooking these for about 7 minutes. I just keep turning them because I'm working within this grill pan. If I was out on the grill, I'd have a lot of room. So this recipe is super quick, super easy, and like I said, you can do it inside on the grill or outside on the grill. And I'm gonna serve it with my papaya avocado salsa. Okay guys, if you want the recipe for the chicken skewers and for the salsa, head over to appetizinglife.com. I have no fork, I'm hungry as usual. I gotta go find a fork. Bye.